4 things that general education doesn't teach us that are vital to living a truly inspiring and successful life. Number 1, money. How do we earn it? Some schools teach us how to manage it or how to invest it. But all general education teaches us is to get a job to earn it. And I believe that's the worst way to earn money. So study that. How to earn money. 2, paradigms. A paradigm is a mental program that almost exclusively controls our habitual behavior. And almost all our behavior is habitual. So, if you realize that your paradigm controls your habitual behavior and almost all your behavior is habitual, you realize that your paradigm controls your life. So if you want to change your life for the better, I suppose most people wouldn't want to change it for the worse. So if you want to change your life for the better, you have to be willing and able to change your paradigm, as Joel Barker put it. So I suggest you study that. A great way to start studying it is to buy the book Change Your Paradigm, Change Your Life by Bob Proctor. Number 3, the universal laws. And the universal laws are those laws that govern the operations of every single thing that happens in our universe. The waves coming in and the waves going out. How an acorn becomes an oak. How a human seed becomes a baby, becomes a grown-up human. How rain falls, comes back to the ground and goes back up, turns into a cloud, and it falls again. We have these universal laws that govern the universe. Study them because they govern you as well, as you are part of all that is in the universe. And 4th and last but not least, essential to living is learning the higher faculties of the mind, which disappointingly enough are also not taught in our schooling system. Our reasoning, our will, our imagination, our intuition, our perception, and our memory. Study these higher faculties of the mind so that you can start to use them to create the life that you want to live. Thank you very much for listening and have a wonderful day at the start of your journey to learning the vital things that are not taught in general education. Thank you very much. Have a wonderful day. Live with love and live with passion, my friends.